Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So I haven't done one of these in a long time and I really wanted to have an updated version of like my celebrity inspired makeup looks. So today I chose to do Miss Kylie's makeup again. I don't know why that sounded like I was doing her makeup. I'm recreating a picture of one of her makeup looks. That's what I'm doing. And the one that I'm doing today is the one I posted as the thumbnail for this video, obviously. There it is. Once again, this is the picture that I'm recreating today. This is the end product of it. So if you guys think I did a pretty good job, then continue watching this video and you will see how I recreated her makeup. Also, one last thing, if you guys are new to my channel, then please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave me some comments down below. With that being said, let's get on to this makeup tutorial. Whoop! I'm ready. Okay, so what I'm going to be using to prime my face today is from Brianna, and it's the Fenty Soft Matte Primer. This primer's like alright. Honestly, like it's really hard to find primers that I'm like, wow, you know? Alright, so in this picture of her, she has, I would say, pretty thick eyebrows. I'm not a huge fan of dark eyebrows and blonde hair, but I mean, whatever. I'm like trying to copy this picture, so, or like recreate it. Alright, I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows now. I do this bitch quick. This is from L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Just a concealer. And I'm just gonna carve out the bottom. We're not going to be doing too much to the face. I'm just going to pretty much do like what I usually do. It's more about, I feel like, eyes, lashes, and like lips. And now I'm taking 290 from Fenty. This is just a contour stick from Hard Candy, and it's got the highlighting and then the contour side, but I just use the contour side. So this is my powder from Airspun. I got it from Walmart. It's the one I always use. So I'm just going to take this brush. I'm going to powder the places where I don't bake. And with a sponge, I'm going to just dip it in here. And then start baking with it. And I'm sticking with the Sweet Peach palette today. That's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so color I'm taking first is Summer Yum. There's like some warm brown colors on the crease. That's the color I think like worked best. I did this look yesterday, by the way, and it just, I was like, yes. And so I'm just doing everything I did yesterday again today. You know what? her makeup is always so simple that it's so easy to like recreate, but it's like it's not as fun because I'm like there's no cut creases, there's no like dark eyeshadows, you know? So okay, now I'm gonna take Caramelized, which is this one right here. There's like barely anything on the lid, so I'm gonna put like just a little bit of like a pale shadow on my lid, like a tiny bit. So this one's Peaches and Cream, and that one I'm gonna put like just a tiny bit on my lid. Okay, so I had to do like a few stuff off camera because my memory card was like fucked up. But okay, so I literally just took like a shimmer color from the Peach palette. It was called Nectar, and I put it like right here and then like right under my brows, and then I just put blush on. That was all I did. Oh, and I also wiped off the stuff I was baking, the powder. This is my highlighter from Becca. It's the I think it's Opal. Yeah, it's Opal. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of eyeliner like right above my lash line, just a tiny bit. This is from e.l.f. Okay, so that's it for like the liquid liner. Okay, now my mascara, L'Oreal's Telescopic. This one's so good. Okay, so I'm just taking these lashes, and they're from Salon Perfect. They're the 615 lashes. You can get them exclusively at Walmart. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. I don't wanna die by them to miss me. I always like wipe off the foundation and like exfoliate a little bit right before I put my lipstick on. Cause your lips ain't gonna be popping, they're gonna look crusty as fuck if you don't clean them before you put your lipstick on. And then just put some type of like chapstick on. Okay, of course, making a Kylie video, so we're gonna be using her products, Dolce K liner and the matte lipstick, and then literally gloss on top. We are all done, finally! You just gotta be careful with, I don't know, this is just my issue or if other people have this problem, but I always get like this stuff on my teeth, especially when it's like an opaque color. So just be careful, you guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, look at this. Let's compare. Obviously, my eyebrows aren't that thick because I feel so uncomfortable making my eyebrows that thick. Okay, this is so extra. You have hair in my lip gloss. I think we did a pretty close job here, honestly. I get so impressed after like I do something like this and I'm like, wow, Maggie, you did so much better than you thought you would. Yeah, anyways, so that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more. I noticed that these like videos with celebrities' names in them, they always like get so many views, so I'm like, I'm just gonna make some more of these videos and have some updated ones, and yeah, that's basically why I made this video. Hope you guys like it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.